In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly why Yahoo emails disappear and then show you step by step how to find old Yahoo emails using Yahoo's own tools and a way faster option for searching through years of messages without all the digging. I'm Lauren from the Clean Email app, and here's why you should trust me. We've been helping everyday people clean their emails and keep them clean for over 10 years. We've literally processed billions of emails, and for each video, I tap into the expertise of the Clean Email team to make the best tutorials for you. Let's get into it. If your Yahoo emails have disappeared and you're kind of freaking out right now, take a breath, because the good news is they're almost definitely not gone. 9 times out of 10, when Yahoo emails seem to vanish, they're just hiding somewhere you haven't looked yet. So let's talk about reasons why this happens. The most common reason is that the emails ended up in the wrong folder. Spam, trash, or archive. Yahoo's filters can move things automatically, and sometimes a connected app or third-party email client is the one doing it without you realizing. A glitchy email client can also make messages look gone when they're still there. And in rare cases, if someone else has had access to your email account, they could have moved or deleted things. But here's the key thing to know. Yahoo only actually deletes your emails if your account has been completely inactive for 12 months. Not just unread, fully inactive, no logins at all. If you've been using your account, your emails are still there. One more thing that's been tripping people up: since August 2025, Yahoo cut its free storage from 1 terabyte all the way down to 20 gigabytes. So if your account is over that limit, Yahoo can actually block new emails from coming in, which makes it feel like messages are disappearing when really your email inbox is just full. I have a whole video on the storage crisis if you want to see that down below. All right, let's fix those emails. The first thing to try is Yahoo's built-in search. Log into your Yahoo Mail account and look for the search bar at the top. Click the Advanced drop-down menu right inside it. From there, you can type in a contact name, a subject line, or any keyword you remember from the email. And you can narrow results down by picking a date range, which is super useful when you're looking for something older. Hit search and see what comes up. If you want to scroll all the way back through your oldest messages, use the sort option above your message list and switch it to date, oldest to newest. That flips your whole inbox, so you're starting from the very beginning. Also, this is something Yahoo added in their 2025 update. The search now understands natural language, so you can type something like "show my oldest email bill from 2022" or "emails from John last summer." And it'll actually get you what you mean. Pretty handy. If search doesn't turn it up, check your folders, because there's a solid chance the email got moved there and you just didn't know about it. Head to the trash folder in the left side menu. Or use the search bar inside the folder to find the email faster. When you spot it, click the checkbox next to it and hit Restore to Inbox at the top. That's it, it's back. If you still didn't find it, do the same in your spam and archive folders. Archive is especially sneaky. Archiving doesn't just delete anything, it removes the email from your inbox view. So it's easy to think something is gone when it's really just been tucked away. If you've checked every folder and it's still not showing up, there's one more thing worth trying: sending a restore request directly to Yahoo. This works if emails were recently deleted and Yahoo may have a backup on their end. In your inbox, click the help icon, select Go to help for Yahoo Mail, then look for the click and recover lost or deleted emails. Hit send and restore request. Use the drop-down menus to select the relevant options and click create request to submit it. Yahoo will look into it, and it doesn't guarantee recovery, but it's your best shot if everything else came up empty. I also want to show you a much faster way to find and organize old Yahoo emails using Clean Email. It has all the features you wished your email app had, like cleaning suggestions, unsubscriber, where you can also resubscribe or pause any of your newsletters. Clean Email also automatically groups emails by categories like finances and insurance, automated messages, rideshare receipts, and many more. So if you're hunting for something specific like an old shopping receipt or a subscription confirmation, go to Smart Folders. And if you're desperate to beat out the Yahoo storage crisis, I really recommend trying cleaning suggestions. It shows you what users often delete or archive, so you can clean up thousands of messages at once. And if you really want to clean late, you can hit select all and delete in your entire inbox. There is a link for you in the description for 20% off. So if your Yahoo emails disappeared, start by checking trash, spam, and archive. Use Yahoo's advanced search with a date range if you're looking for something specific, and if it's genuinely not showing up, submit a restore request through Yahoo Help. And for searching years of emails without the manual work, Clean Email gets you there in a few clicks, on any device. Check out my other videos on Yahoo, and I'll see you in the next one.